Life is good though. I want y'all to see that life is great. Your life is great too. Have a good time, man. Have some fun.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today you're going to be watching my monthly goals for the month of January and my upcoming goals for the month of February. I'm really excited. I've never done a reset video. I hope you guys enjoy this. If it's like a weird jump in, I'm sorry. I was so tired last night when I filmed this, and I forgot that I had already done my skincare routine in my 75 hard video, which you guys will be seeing Wednesday. And so I completely refilmed it. So that's why I sort of jump in. I'm like, hey guys, da, 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 da. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. Very short, very not usually my speed, but here she is. Bye. Also, can we talk about the ice outside? Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, but not gonna be gorgeous to drive in. Okay, we're sitting now. I'm gonna try to get as much of this out on this camera as I can. Ignore anything in the background. And sorry, the lighting's not the best. Anyway, okay guys, let's go over my goals from last month. Which, to be fair, I did these like halfway in the month. But anyway, I've not been keeping up with my Notion, which you guys will see this in a second. But anyway, 5,000 steps a day. I actually have been doing that because I work and I'm on my feet. So I have been hitting about like 7,000 on the days I work a like 5 or 6 hour shift. Rich Mom walks. I've been doing them as frequent as I can, but I've not been doing them 5 times a week. Vlog at least once a week. I have been doing that. Reach out to one Dallas creator. I have not gotten that far yet. Record Zoom podcast. We'll have this discussion in a second. Grow audience on TikTok. We'll also have this discussion in a second. And then TikTok vlog 3 times a week. I was doing this for most of the month, so I'm going to check it out. I sort of talked about this in another video, but I've had like 3 things happen. The first thing being like a little bit of burnout when it comes to TikTok. I was like vlogging once a day. Really loved it. And then I don't know, I just felt like a little burnt out. I'm getting back to it. I actually posted one today, but it like didn't post right or whatever. I'm not really sure what happened, but it like glitched, so I had to delete that. Anyway, I am wanting just to post more, like, you know, all the videos on TikTok that are like, just post it. Like, I just want to post it and stop being so critical on myself. The other thing is the podcasts. I'm like taking a hiatus for my podcast because I really want to focus on YouTube and TikTok right now. I'm not really sure what the plan is. I'm just going to take a step back for the next like few months and see, possibly bring it back, possibly not. I want to work out once a day. I'm doing the 75 hard, which you guys know, or soft or whatever. I want to go to my first book club meeting. I want to read 2 books a month, which I feel like is doable. I just need to focus and spend more time, like less time scrolling, more time on my phone. I want to use less of social media. I also am wanting to get back into workout classes, like try a new class a week. I just really want to focus on the quality of my YouTube videos and the quantity. I'm editing this and trying to save it because quite literally I wasn't putting like all my thoughts out there. I was really tired, so that was my bad on that part. But essentially I want to take the time that I was spending just like aimlessly scrolling on social media and put it into creating content versus taking it in for the next like few months. Not that I'm like not gonna be on social media, but like I really want to just keep it as like when I'm going to post that I've posted a new video, or like if I want to post something and not aimlessly scrolling. So that was one of the goals. I don't know, it didn't translate well. But that's what I was trying to say right here. I don't know if that makes sense at all. I'm gonna type this up in the computer and I'll come back. Okay guys, I have finished the checklist. This is the monthly vision board that I've decided to start doing. I'll show you guys. This is just my mood for the month. Like, how cute is that? I want to write more. I want to go to like a musical or Dancing with the Stars that says feel the fear and do it anyway, now or never. And it's not your job to be everything to everyone. We have the YouTube plaque, always. We have a little, you can't really tell, I probably didn't choose the best photo, but she's inside a little bakery because I want to like try new places in Dallas. We have Health is Wealth. We have a Pilates or yoga class. Anyway, so we have Rich Mom Walk 5 times a week. Try 3 new types of workout classes. Start the 75 hard / soft, which I already have. Focus on producing new YouTube videos twice a week, which I sort of already am, but anyway. Go to the Dance with the Stars show or any like other musicals I see. Go to dinner with friends. Do something new twice a week. Try a new restaurant every week, which that sort of goes together, but anyway. Create daily content. That's mostly for like TikTok and stuff. Write more film. Write a chapter of a book. Hit 630 subscribers. Hit 950 TikTok followers. Okay, this is what I realized I forgot last night while I was doing this, but I didn't go back and film it. Anyway, so it's not about the number to me. I love creating, editing, all that kind of stuff. But I saw recently where I was watching their reset on maybe TikTok or maybe it was YouTube. And they were saying how they like to look back on numbers just to see. And so I decided to start adding numbers to my goals and stuff like that. So, yeah. I forgot to add it, but I also will be going to my first book club. Maybe a second one. I don't know. And anyway, I just want to put myself out there. I want to go. There's a bunch of like random things that I want to do this month. I want to go to Austin. I'd love to go to Oklahoma City, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Anyway, I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. Comment down below if you want me to do more like this, more casual videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love you, queens.
Life is good though. I want y'all to see that life is great. Your life is great.